Blink. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to get rid of all the cards in your draw pile and hand. Setup. Shuffle the deck and deal all the cards to the players who keep them face down in front of them. Each player takes the top card of their deck and places it face down in the center of the table next to each other. The players then each draw 3 cards from their draw pile into their hand. When both players are ready, they each flip their center card face up and the game begins. Play happens simultaneously. There are no turns. Players play cards from their hand to either center pile so long as one of these attributes matches: color, shape, number. As players play cards, they refill their hand by drawing from their draw deck. A player may never have more than 3 cards in their hand at a time. A player may never play more than 1 card at a time. If neither player can play a match to either center pile, then play pauses and each player places the top card of their draw pile onto a center pile and the game resumes. If one player doesn't have a draw pile, then each player picks a card from their hand instead. However, if at least one player only has 1 card left in their hand, then the game ends in a tie. The first player to play all their cards in their hand and draw pile wins.